We are pleased to introduce STEPmac, a plugin for importing STEP files into Blender. Download the plugin, link in the description below. Choose the right file depending on your processor. Open Blender. Go to Edit, Preferences, go in the tab Add-ons and click on Install. Choose the .zip file you've just downloaded. Activate the plugin by ticking the box. Then, go to File, Import Step. Choose the STEP file that you would to import. On the right side, you can select importing options. Click on Import Step. Loading process can be long, depending on the size of the file. Be patient. The STEP file is imported, and you can see all materials in the Explorer. Thank you for watching.